Meaning of emollient.
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 Emollient. The word emollient refers to a substance that has a soothing or softening effect on the skin. It is commonly used in skincare products, such as lotions and creams, to help moisturize and protect the skin from dryness and irritation. Emollients work by forming a barrier on the surface of the skin, which helps to retain moisture and prevent water loss. They are beneficial for people with dry, sensitive, or irritated skin, as they can help to reduce discomfort and improve skin texture and appearance. Overall, emollients play an important role in maintaining healthy skin.